Okay, what does it mean to go beyond the bonds?
We're trying to help the customer to create the solution for them. That's beyond the bond.
Making the customer's processes more sustainable. We really reduce costs for the customer. We optimize the processes so that they have more output. A lot of things where we really create impact beyond.
We want to help. We want to be able to be part of the solution that helps you build a more efficient plant or a more efficient business.
We don't only offer products to our customers, but actually we help them to select the right product for the right application.
Product quality is the one thing, but product usage is the other one. We need to really be aligned with our customers. How can they use our products in the right way?
It's not only about the product Loctite, so we are pretty sure that the product delivers what it promises, but it's an ecosystem around the product.